Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-C8B, the boiler blower valve spindle guide nut for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, let's go File, New, MMGS, or Part MMGS. We'll go to the right hand plane, circle. There's a hole in this, but I'm not going to put a hole through it yet because it goes through the whole lot same size. We can do that in one go. So this circle will be 10 mil. That's going to be a length of 10. I'm not worried about mid-plane this one because it doesn't really matter. This is brass, I'll leave this that. It says normal, sketch, hex, measuring, smart dimension, sorry about that. And that's going to be 13. 13. That's going to be feature extrude, and that's going to be 3 mil thick. There you go. Now again on this one, I'm not going to normalize that one. Circle, and that's going to be 8 mil. 8 mil. And that's going to be extrude out 6 mil. Now that's that part done. Now we want to go in a circle, doesn't matter which end you go. It's going to be 5 mil feature. Smart dimension, sorry, 5. 5? Yeah, 5. And that's going to be through cut, through all, and done. Right, that's that hole done. Now we will need, interesting, got thread there, that thread goes way through, and thread there, go on that. Okay, do this one first. M10 thread, yep, M10, so we want start there, finish there. That's going to be extrude, trim and trim. No, one of those doesn't do anything, but I just do both. I've got the right one. Okay, that one's good. Now 8 and 5. Let's do 5 mil first, because you know 10 is above 8 but starts with 1, so therefore it's less than 5 in the list. If that makes any sense. Okay, so we want thread. It's, yeah, see here, 1, 2, 3, yeah. So 5. And 5 by 8, that's all we got. Okay, so we got to go by. Okay, can't do much better then. Hold on. Oh, stop that a minute. That one there, let's delete. What was that? Actually, what was that center? I made a mistake there somewhere. Open that sketch up. Okay. That does. Oh, wrong end. Yeah, something was right. Okay, you know what? How the heck we get that far out? There's nothing there blocking that one. Oh. Okay, let me just do something. Let me go to... move that one out. Yeah, that should be right. There's some reason I didn't link up those two. Face, nope, I want a point. Okay, let me just click on there. There we go. Exit. That's better. Yeah, I didn't realize I didn't click on the end there. Now here looks a bit odd because you got thread cutting it, so that's fine. That's fine. So let's go back to thread. Still at 5. Nope, it's dropped down 10. Can't believe we only got 5. Where is it? You got 52, 56, 56, and 5. That's the only 5 we got. So 5 by 0.8. Well, I suppose you can't really have too big a thickness, can you? It makes sense now you think about it, thread-wise. It's going to be extrude, trim and trim. Sorry, cut. There we go. Now, there's a way you can make that go past the end there. The problem with offset is I wonder if I go 10, how long is that? 19, say 20. That's past there. If I go offset 20, negative 20, I don't think it's that, does it? Nope. Yeah, it goes that way. Okay, forget about that. Forget about that. Yeah, some way. I thought I found it, but every time I try to use it, I couldn't work it out. So that thread should go all the way through. So if anyone knows how to do that, let me know. I'll be happy to pass the information on. Okay, let's do this thread. It's going to be M8 thread. Where are we? M8 1.25. Start there. Offset. Not offset. Sorry. In condition there. That's going to be extrude, trim and trim, and done. So that's part 3-38B, the boiler blower valve spindle guide nut, done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Always great to hear from guys and girls. Got any suggestions or got anything I can learn want me to pass on? I'm always happy. Or correct me on something. If I make a mistake, hey, I'm only human. And that's the idea of this series is people learn. I make mistakes, and that's how they can learn from that too, and I can rectify it. So thanks again for coming along. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.